Yes, and welcome back. Thanks for being here. Today we're gonna show you what else we did after arriving in Zhangye capital, where to stay in Zhangye, and our experience in seeing the Great Sleeping Buddha. Our road to the Rainbow Mountains, Part 2. Upon arriving in Zhangye, we chose to stay in a hotel recommended by a very good Chinese friend who also loves traveling. This is合途旅行酒店, or Hetu Traveling Hotel, located in Hengda Plaza at the center of the city. I'll give you the address below later. We'll show you around here. The hotel is clean, cozy, and affordable. You can rent a room from 150 to 250 RMB for a day with free breakfast. This one is for 200 or 1,400 in Philippine peso conversion. We will stay here for 3 days, so it's 600 RMB. So cheap, right? We'll just take a short break and I'll wait for Joey to wake up. It's Joey's legs, not mine, huh? I cannot sleep yet because maybe excited for the next trip or maybe hungry. I don't know. When Joey wakes up, I want to have a lunch first and let's go to the Dafo Temple afterwards. Going to the Dafo Temple, here is our map. Unconsciously, I'm wearing red today. Same with the elder Chinese here. So Joey's teasing me and said I belong with them. And take note how many times he said that. Elder travelers are usually like this. They go in groups and with uniform.
Sama ka dyan, nakapula ka eh. Diyan ka sa nakapula.
Third time.
Nakapula ka eh.
Fourth.
Sama ka dyan, nakapula ka eh.
Fifth.
Diyan ka sa nakapula.
And sixth.
Ito, kabataan.
This is the facade of the temple. You need to pay 40 RMB for the entrance fee. Upon entering the temple, I observed this day we are so many. So unfortunately, photography was prohibited. But in the middle of the tour inside, they eventually allowed us to take a few snaps. Dafo Temple in Zhangye City is about 600 kilometers away, west of Gansu's provincial capital, Lijing. It is famous for its giant reclining Buddha, or sleeping Buddha, that measures at about 35 meters. Established in 1098 during Western Xia dynasty and was rebuilt during Qing dynasty. Due to its extensive history, it is listed as an immovable cultural relic under state protection. It is reclining because it represents the historical Buddha during his last illness. However, it is not meant to induce gloom. It is said the reclining Buddha is supposed to be an encouragement to people seeking internal harmony. This kind of Buddha should always be facing west and reclining to the right. Up next, we'll show you the Rainbow Mountains, finally, and the Mati Temple, which is also in Zhangye. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share, and hit the notification bell button to keep you updated for the next vlogs coming. See you again next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.